Mamela-ke nazi Psalms eziwu-3 engizakunika zona ukuthi ukuzisebenzise before ulala, ne? Psalms 4 ne-Psalms 54 ne-Psalms 141. Okay? Kwi-Psalms 4 uyifunda yonke ne? Nikhumbule guys. You read the whole chapter, okay? Then you go to one verse or two verses. Loads of verse often was gold, but you read the whole chapter. Okay? Then let us read Psalms 4. Skalengo Psalms 4. Ane? Okay. Psalms 4. Verse 8. Nizomfunda nge-NIV, phinde futhi ndimfunde nge-Good News. Uthi, I will lie down and sleep in peace, for you alone, O Lord, keep me dwell in safety. Ne? Then nge-Good News iti, when I lie down, I go to sleep in peace. You alone, O Lord, keep me perfectly safe. Yeah, okay. Then uya kwi Psalms 54. Psalms 54, a prayer of protection. Ne? Iti uzozifundela ayikho ninzi ne? Ayikhonde. It's only 7 verses from 1 to 7, ne? But now I will go to verse 5 for you. It let evil recoil on those who slander me. In your faithfulness, destroy them. Then masifundeni kwi-Good News, ne? Na guys nisebenzisa kakhulu i-Good News. Good News Bible. Andazi kwi-King James 18. Iti kwi-Good News, may God use their own evil to punish my enemies. He will destroy them because he's faithful. Inja. Then masiyani Psalms 141, ne? Saka sifunde lapha kwi-NIV. Kwi-Psalms 141 uzosebenzisa uverse 10. Ne? Psalms 141 uquote uverse 10, but you read the whole chapter, then you go to one verse, okay? Ithi ke yona ke uverse 10. Let the wicked fall into their own nets while I pass by in safety. Then get Good News. Ithi, may the wicked fall into their own traps while I go by unharmed. Ne? So awukusebenzisa ezi scriptures zontathu as Bible scriptures zontathu, but you read the whole chapter, then you go to that one verse. Uya nakwenye read the whole chapter, then go to one verse. Nakwenye ngonjalo, ya understand. Indaba ukuthi uzoya eBhayibhelini ngoba uve umuntu ethi awukuthandaze ngePsalm ethile okanye ngescripture esithile, ufike ufunde wena lo verse athe akunika yona. Ayizukusebenzela. You need to understand konke from verse 1 until kwi-verse yokugqibela, you understand. So that is why I always advise people to read the whole chapter, then you can go to one verse. Ne? Injalo nje. Psalms 141, Psalms 4 and Psalms 54. Next time zanifundisa ukuthandaza ngePsalms 35. I know abantu bathi amaKristu akuthandaza ngePsalms 35 akhohlakele. Hayi sithini?